Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is King Wesley and I am going to be teaching you about liquidity and imbalance today. So without any further ado, let's go into what we have for today. On my screen, you can actually see a gold trade, okay? A gold trade I took just immediately after CPI, all right? So I'm going to show you the before and the after. This is actually the result of the trade. So right now on your screen, you're going to see the analysis before this trade moved in our profits, all right, in our direction. Explaining this entry, okay? And I'm also going to be teaching you about imbalance and liquidity. So if this is your first time on the channel, all right, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, all right? Give this video a like right now, and just when you're done watching the video, make sure to drop a comment, all right? Now, straight to the charts. Let's dive into the chart, all right? Now, you can see on the chart right now that, okay, we had our entry at this point and take profit at this point, okay? Now, I'm going to be explaining in regards to liquidity and imbalance, all right? Now, looking at price, okay, looking at how price has been moving, all right? Looking at how price has been moving, okay? You can see that we have a downtrend, okay, a very short flow. Now, the basic downtrend structure that you know is what? Lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, all right? So in regards to that structure, okay, in regards to that structure, we expect or we anticipate to see price do something like this, okay? All right, where we have this to be our lower low and this to be our lower highs, this to be our lower low, this to be our lower highs, right? Normally. Now, basically, when price tends to break previous low, all right, we want to see price do what? Retrace a little bit back up and then give us an entry to continue the downtrend from around this point, okay? So that is basically what I did right here, okay? Now, if you can actually check, okay, if you can actually look closely, you would see that we have what? The downtrend structure, okay, normally lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. This is what we have, okay? We have the what? The lower high over here. Sorry, let me make this a little bit more bold, okay? We have the what? The lower high over here, the lower low, sorry, over here. We have a lower high, okay? We have what? A lower low, and then a lower high, all right? Now, seeing that price has broken below this low, okay, I already know that from the other flow, which is from the downtrend, which is from the trend, I want to be looking for just sales, all right? Now, price has actually sold below this low. Price broke through up with what? A very good momentum, all right? Now, we can see price retracing, okay? Now, the thing is, why did I not sell from this week? How did I know that liquidity was going to be lying above this high and price will definitely be going to grab this liquidity, okay? Look to your left, okay? I explain what an imbalance is in the part one of this video. So just in case you've not watched that video, it's going to be somewhere around this, maybe the top right corner, all right? Make sure to click the link and watch it, all right? Now you can see that above this above this high, we have what? An imbalance, okay? Now I told you guys that above highs and low and below lows, we have liquidity line above and below lows, all right? So where we are looking to buy is where what? Retail traders are going to be looking to sell. All right, it's as simple as that is. So now, seeing that we have this pattern, okay, basically this is an entry model when it comes to ICT. All right, let me sketch it out for you so you can actually see. This is what? An entry model. Not everyone is going to tell you this. Not everyone is going to tell you this, okay? That is why you actually should subscribe to this channel. Now, this is an entry model when it comes to ICT. I'm going to take it out for you to see. So what you have to do is you have to take note of this movement, of this pattern. Take note of this pattern, guys. Take note of this pattern. Know that at this point, we will always have what? Liquidity line at this point, okay? Always have liquidity line at this point. Okay? And then price have to do what? Has to break below this low, all right? And then make sure that you are also selling from what? a fair value gap, which is also an imbalance. You have to make sure you're actually selling from an imbalance or maybe another block. But then the best setup will be what? Another block plus imbalance. Okay, that will be a very strong setup for you. Okay, so FVG stands for fair value gap, which is also known as what? Imbalance. So this is what you want to be seeing over here, guys. This is basically the entry model. This is, if you can actually just spot entries like this on your charts and just trade this move down, guys, do you know how many pips this gave me? Just this move, guys. This is not a small move. This is on gold, for crying out loud. All right, this is a move on gold. So this is a lot of money. This is a lot of money. If you are actually selling this on even if you're using 0.05, bro, you're gonna make almost $100, if not more. Okay, so you can see price did what? It took out this low, all right, formed a lower high over here, sold down, took out the low, and then when price was buying up, it would definitely need to grab liquidity above these highs, because you know why? Because retail traders will be looking to short. You know what they're going to be seeing over here? Retail traders will say, oh, this is a resistance. Price is going to reverse from this resistance. So let us sell over here, put our stop loss over here, little bit above the resistance, and our take profit down here. I know what the market makers are going to be doing. They're going to be saying, oh, we have lots of money over here, guys. We have lots of stop losses over here. Let us grab this liquidity, poop, and then they grab it, they tap into the fair value gap, other block, and then poop, they get to sell down. And then the retail traders come out crying, oh no, the market has been manipulated. The broker cheated us. It is not manipulation, guys. You need to know how to do these things, all right? So basically, the explanation right here is that we had to do what? After spotting the previous low, okay, taking out, we expected price to do what? To retrace to give us a sell confirmation, all right? Price took out this low, okay, broke down. We waited for a retracement to continue the downtrend. We knew that there was going to be liquidity above here because retail traders were going to be selling from this high, putting their stop loss few pips above the resistance. So we looked for a fair value gap for entry, and then took our entry, our stop loss a few pips above this high. I'll take profits at the previous low, all right? And then you can see how the trade moved. Follow me for more, guys. Message me on WhatsApp to stay in contact with me. It's King and I'm signing out.